How to get best Eneba coupon codes. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you guys can get the best coupons for Eneba. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. The first step is open up a web browser. Any web browser is fine. Then simply search for Eneba coupon codes. After you search for that, you'll find different websites that provide coupon codes for Eneba. So here you can see some of the popular ones, that is Coupon Follow, Worth ePenny, and Honey Join Honey. So these are the three websites that we'll be seeing. So you can open either one of those up. So there you can see Join Honey, and you can directly go to this website as well, joinhoney.com/Eneba games. And after you're here, you can see the coupon codes. So you can see how many coupon codes are available. You can see up to you can save up to $6.89. You can save up to this many dollars, and there are different coupon codes. So what you'll have to do here is, if you want a coupon code and if you like it, just tap on Get Coupon option right here. After you do that, it'll take you to another website that will just show you the code. And there we go. There you can see the codes for Eneba. And that's one website. So let's move on to the next one. So let's head over to Coupon Follow. And there you can see there are different coupons available for 15% off, 10% off, 5% off, and so much more. So like before, here as well, you need to tap on Show Coupon Codes. Then it'll show you the coupon code. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. Now you can check out this website as well, that is Worth ePenny. There you can see the very same thing. You can get up to 45% off. So let's tap on Show Code, and it will show you the code right here. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that's how you can get Eneba coupon codes. Thanks for watching. That is it for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.